Well, another box. Another box. Well, this is a suitcase for travelling. It's got wheels and everything. Look, it's got wheels. It's got wheels. Hey! I feel like I should be walking through an airport right now with it. Yes. What's in the box? Well, what's in the box? We have M210 RTK. Yes. And whoops. Someone's stolen the M210. What the hell? Okay. Actually, the M210's already assembled because it's a client's machine and it's got extra bits of kit on it. But it would live here. It can carry 4 batteries. You get a battery in here, 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 and here. The airframe sits nicely here. We've got the transmitter, we've got the crystal sky, we've got a charger. I get into the battery and charging, and my pet hate is back again with batteries. The props, actually these props are nice. I do like these props. You notice the white circle? I'll show you why in a second. So yes, and that is, well, it's not there, is it? I need it, don't I? Shall we get it out? Right, I'll just grab the M210. Right, here we go, the M210 RTK. Now, just to be clear, this is not part of it. This is part of the MicroSense, and the MicroSense is connected underneath with a mounting plate. It's like this for crop monitoring, and that's why it was given to me. So I'm out flying crops with it, as well as the Trinity. So RTK differences: the normal one, you won't see these. These are nice GPS hooks, nice mountings here, like this, locking. The arms, they fold. So in the case, it's all like this. And what we do is pull it. So all 4 are like this. You just get it out, and then you just connect them up, push, and then just give it a twist. Make sure it's nice and tight. Straighten up the arm, put the arm in place, down and twist. Okay, make sure it's nicely locked in place. Okay, you've got your FPV camera for video feed for live. You've got your sensors for vision, so it won't hit anything. Actually, all the sensors on this are turned off. The reason is, if you're flying with the Mica under here and you don't switch off the ground sensing one and you try and fly, it will think there's something under it. It's too close to the ground. It just keeps going up and up and up and up. And what you get is a flyaway. I've got every sensor turned off. I'm not flying with any of them on. I'm just not going to take the risks. So there are times, okay, when you turn off sensors. I was going to show you the legs. I'll show you the other side. My pet peeve with this is there's no center mounting for the cameras. You can get one for the version 1. Not seen it for the version 2. It is dual mount. This is the X4S on here for mapping. That's what's on here. But the legs, all you do is, I say, so if I drop it, it'll be good. So the leg just like slots in and out. They're fixed. They've got a nice little mechanism, and you lock it in, and it's done. Why it's not got retracts is beyond me. Retracts are a big must. This leg gets in the way when mapping. That's not what you want. You want clean data. So pet peeves with the M210 already is this leg, if you're mapping, gets in the way. If you fly with LiDAR under it, and I've seen this done, these legs get in the way. So yeah, pet peeve, M210 DJI, this is in the way, not clean data. What I do like is you have got an extra power port. You can take power, USB, signals, expansion ports all in the back of it, so you can do all that. Okay, the reason why it's only IP, I believe it's 40, its IP rating isn't full weatherproof, it's because it's well, it's just not. Your batteries go here. So I've got nice beautiful big batteries. These are my set A, and these are not to be flown because they're flown already. Nice indicators on them. We'll go through batteries in a bit, and my pet peeve yet again will rears its ugly head with these. I need to make that secure before I fly. Just wrap it around a bit, make sure it can't do anything. I don't want that doing anything it shouldn't, like getting a prop, because that'll just not be my day. That's not going anywhere now. Right, so like I say, this is the Sense mounting on here, and it's there, so it can fly with it. Props, dead easy. You just take a prop. It's got a white hole. You look for the white. White props just fits in. Just turn it, and that's it, it's locked. Dead easy. It's that easy with these that I can do them one-handed, which is just incredible. There you go. That's on nice and tight. We've got another one. I've got another one. On, turn. She's locked. So, I mean, these props are nice. Plastic but nice, nothing wrong with them at all. You do get a spare set in the box, so we like that. And there we go. So that is DJI M210 version 2 RTK. Sounds really good, doesn't it, when you say it like that? Yeah. RTK, right. So here's our RTK station. Dead easy, just come out, needs turning on. I actually thought I turned it on earlier. I like to have this running at least 20 minutes before I fly, as soon as I can. I've got some more bits to do setting up yet for missions. So you've got your tripod here, you get a little bubble here. Make sure that the air bubble is in the circle. I don't know if you can see it or not. And then there's another one up here, and you want the little air bubble inside the black circle, and that's it. And that's what I'm doing. I'm doing crops over there. Look, all that field. Yay. I've been told the people over there I'm flying, so we're all good. RF Cranwell. Thankfully, common sense seems to have got through somewhere. RF Cranwell has okayed the flight. They've been a bit, no drones, but hopefully they'll come round a bit more. Right. What I'll do is I'll get out the bits and bobs ready to fly. Get a set of batteries. Oh yeah, batteries. You only get 4 in the box. So as you only get 4, my camera doesn't know what it wants to do. Thank you. So this is how I carry my batteries for the M210. And bearing in mind, this is only half the batteries. I have 9 pairs. That's 18 batteries just to fly it. I have, oh, where are they? I've got, must have another 8 or 10 of the ones that power the one here. They power the controller and everything else. I've got loads of them knocking about. And that's for the Crystal Sky, the transmitter that's all in here. Nice box, like the box, very good. Do feel like you've got to walk through an airport all the time though. But that is the M210 RTK.